Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows errors using two quick commands. Let's begin. First, I want you to go and check for any updates. I want you to click on your search bar right over here, check for updates, click on that. Then if everything's up to date, then you're good. Next, we need to run the command right now. So in the search bar, look up for command prompt or CMD. Make sure to run as the admin. Next, we need to run two different commands. Okay, first is sfc scan. First is going to be the sfc scan now. I'm going to provide all of those here on my screen. Okay, so here is the command. Hit enter. This might take a few minutes depending on your computer. And once done, it will actually show in here if there's any corrupted files and it will automatically repair those. Next, we need to run another command. So just follow me over here. This is how we actually check your disk, okay? So once you hit enter, it will actually take a few seconds and it will show this message right over here. Go ahead, type Y, and it will actually restart your computer. And I will show you what it looks like right now. As your computer restarts, it'll start checking your drive. Don't press any keys, let it finish completely. It might take a few minutes, but once done, you'll boot back into Windows and all of your errors will be fixed. And that's it. Your computer should now be clean and running smoother than ever. I hope you found this video very helpful.